Hey, I'm Rachel Ngom from she'smakinganimpact.com, and today I want to talk about how to create a daily plan of action that results in consistent sales. So the biggest thing to this is knowing what your goal is for the year and then break it down to what your goal is for the next 90 days. A book that really helped me just plan all this stuff out, figure it out, and stay focused is The 12-Week Year. I can't think of the author's name, but you'll find it. I think it's Brian something. But the 12-week year really helped me to figure out what's my long-term goal, and then how can I break it down to a 90-day goal, and then how can I chunk it down from there even more. And so I break down that 90-day goal into a 1-month goal, and then I break it down to a weekly goal, and then a daily goal. And so I use a planner to help me just kind of stay focused and organized. This is Freedom Mastery. There's a bazillion planners out there. The reason I like this one is because it has a weekly view, so I can see like what's going on every day. And so what I do is I think about my long-term goal, I break it down to the month and the week, and then I think about, okay, what do I need to do this week? And I kind of brain dump everything. So here it's saying like, what are your priorities this week? And I kind of just do a brain dump of like, what are all the things that need to happen for me to reach that longer term goal? And then I just put it on, allocate one of those tasks. That's a favorite word. Sorry. I put one of those tasks on one of the days. So, on Monday, I had to finish a submission for a blog and write my blog post. So that was kind of Monday's task. And then Tuesday, I had a specific task of surveying my email list and doing a Facebook Live. And so like every day has a specific thing. Now here's the catch. And this is where a lot of people kind of get tripped up, is you got to do this before you do anything else in your business. And so most people, they open up their email and they open up Facebook and they get really distracted by other people's agenda and then by these seemingly important tasks, but they're really not. And so by doing this and figuring out what's the one thing you need to work on every single day, you're going to get so much further ahead in your business, so much faster. Another good book for you to read is called The One Thing. Can't remember the author again, but he's really good. So 2 books for homework for you, The 12-Week Year and The One Thing. When you start doing this and you really get dialed into every day has a focus, every day you're being intentional, you are going to get so much done. You're going to have more free time. You're going to have a life, and your business is really going to blow your mind after a year. So that's how I get things done. You need a planner. You need an action plan. You need to be intentional. If you want more tips to build your business, make sure to head to she'smakinganimpact.com, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.